Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. We are starting for our hike to Tegelbergsteig. It's a Via Ferrata and we are at Fusen. It's
touristic place.
it's very touristic place.
And it's known for its Neuschwanstein castle. So please visit over here.
Okay. He's Ranit and she's Muna, and we guys are hiking today. We'll be doing the Via Ferrata. The climate is really good. You need to take the bus number 78 to reach the Tegelberg Bahn station from Fusen. It's 10:40 and we are at Tegelberg Bahn station. From here we are going to start for our hike. So this here is the way towards the Klettersteig, the ascent route, and this route that you see here is the one that will be coming back. This is the same path that also goes towards the Bavarian Klettersteig. After an hour of walk from the Berg station, we have arrived at this spot from where the Via Ferrata starts. View with which we are going to start the Via Ferrata. This is the amazing view, and this is where we are heading now. This ladder spot, we have this way towards our Via Ferrata, and this is the way that goes towards the Gelbe. This is where the intersection is happening. It's around 800 to 900 meters of elevation and around 10 kilometers. Just after the ladder, there is a portion where the rock was completely scratched so much by the footprints of the climbers that it was very slippery. So this is the portion that is a bit thin because of the many footsteps that has been taken. This portion here needed a lot of arm strength. This is the path all the way up. It's a mixture of B and C. This is the third patch and it seems to be not that bad. The first and the second patch was pretty bad. You can see that's the second patch, and there you have very slippery rocks. This is the fourth patch. This looks quite normal as well. It's not that tough compared to the first and the second patch that we had. Now this is the fifth patch that we need to do. The beautiful view. This here you can see is the path that we followed. Now we have this wooden ladder patch. This here is the last patch of the climb, the Via Ferrata last patch, and after that we should be on the peak and finally home. This was the gully that we crossed just now. It was not that tough except that portion where you need to pull all your weight up, because these clamps are pretty far. You have to pull your whole weight up. I was all alone until I met these two nice people, from Czech Republic. So this couple from the Czech Republic, they have been together in this climb with me. It was nice at least to talk to some people. So this was the last section of the Via Ferrata that we completed, and now we'll be having a normal walk from here. This one is the last patch. It's a descending with some wooden stairs that you have. So it took around 3 hours to complete the Klettersteig Via Ferrata. There were some really technical sections, you can say, where it was very slippery rock due to the softness of the rock that has happened because of multiple climbing. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.